This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by kgood. Sensational 3-bedroom 2.5-bath townhome with a garage and fenced-in yard in the Kellam School District. No fees. Wonderful floor plan features generous-sized rooms and 9 ceilings on the first floor. New gorgeous LVP wide plank flooring throughout the first floor. Spacious eat-in kitchen offers generous counter space and upgraded stainless appliances, including a gas range. The light-filled family room is open to the dining room. Offering vaulted ceilings, the oversized primary suite features 2 closets including 1 walk-in, a double vanity, soaking tub, and separate shower. Top-rated schools include Princess Anne Elementary and Kellam HS. Excellent cul-de-sac location next to a park with all-new equipment. Near wonderful shopping, dining, and beaches. Must see. For more information, review the details below.